Unlocking History. Tear Down This Wall, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's not just linguistically interesting but also historically significant: tear down this wall. This phrase is more than just words. It's a powerful call to action that played a pivotal role in modern history. So, grab your notebooks, because you're about to learn both the meaning behind these words and their impact on the world. The phrase, tear down this wall, was made famous by U.S. President Ronald Reagan in a speech on June 12, 1987. Reagan was speaking in West Berlin, near the Berlin Wall, which at the time divided East and West Berlin. This wall was not just a physical barrier but also a symbol of the ideological divide between the Communist East and the Democratic West during the Cold War. In his speech, Reagan challenged Mikhail Gorbachev, the leader of the Soviet Union, to open up the barrier which had separated East and West Berlin since 1961. This phrase goes beyond its literal call to dismantle a physical wall. It symbolizes the desire for freedom and the removal of barriers, both physical and ideological, between people. Reagan's words were a plea for reunification and peace, urging an end to the division that the Berlin Wall represented. It's a powerful example of how language can be used to challenge the status quo and inspire change. The call to tear down this wall echoed around the world, becoming a rallying cry for freedom and democracy. While the speech did not immediately lead to the wall's demolition, it is credited with setting the tone for the eventual fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989. This event marked the beginning of the end of the Cold War and the reunification of Germany, showcasing the profound impact words can have on history. For English language learners, this phrase is a brilliant example of the power of imperative sentences, commands or requests. The use of the imperative mood in Reagan's speech served to directly address and challenge Gorbachev, making the statement more impactful. Additionally, this phrase teaches us about the significance of context in understanding language. Without knowing the historical and cultural background, the full weight of Reagan's words might be lost. We hope this exploration of the phrase, tear down this wall, has been enlightening. It's a beautiful demonstration of how language is not just a tool for communication but also a vehicle for change. Whether you're a student of the English language or a history enthusiast, the story behind these words is a testament to the power of speaking out for what is right. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating lessons. See you in the next video.